So what are these guys doing? What are these guys doing to my car? What's up, guys? Another video. So I decided to bring my car back again so I can get my headlights polished. You know, headlight restoration, because they are so faded. I could have done the work myself, but you know what? It's too cold out there. I just can't take the cold. So I decided to take it back to my mechanic and tell him, listen, I first I asked him if they do that, and he said yes, of course, you know. So I just decided to just come back and have him do it, because I just, like I said, I can't do this in the cold. I know I can go to Harbor Freight and pick up the polishing compound or AutoZone, Pep Boys, and just do this myself, but I just decided not to. Simple things like that I can do. You know, other things like, you know, car repair. I had my struts taken care of yesterday, and you know, I can't do that, you know. So, but the much simpler things I can do that. So yeah, guys, they're working on my headlights right now, you know, just polishing them up, headlight restoration. I did take a picture before how they look like. I mean, I don't think it was too bad. Yesterday I also got new headlamps, you know, the bulbs, much brighter LEDs. They're excellent looking, but I needed to get my headlights restored also. You know, instead of buying a whole brand new headlights, I'm getting them restored. You know, the surface getting nice and polished. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like afterwards. I'm going to take a picture before and after, see what they look like, guys. There are YouTube videos on how to do headlight restoration. There's a lot of videos out there with the paste, you know, polishing compound, all that, with the pads. Some people use a drill driver, and they go to town with that. But yep, they're taking care of it right now, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, so this is the after they worked on the headlights. This is what it looks like. I will be posting the before. This is it, guys. So you know, you can restore your headlights. Now you can see right through. There are minor scratches that he couldn't take out, he told me, which I understand, you know. This is what it looks like, guys. You can restore your headlights. Excellent.